Hello, welcome to another wonderful video with Mr. Vong. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Google slide to document all your missions. In the previous video, you saw there was a video that instructs you how to create a Google Drive folder and how to share it with everybody. In this one, you will create a Google slide inside that one folder. In the last video, what we did was we created a folder, and the folder we created was called documentation, and we shared that with everybody. Now within this documentation folder, I brought in two videos. One of them is called Hello World, and the other one is a screenshot of the code that was written. Now let me remind you that you have to do three documentation. The first one, no, three types of documentation. The first one was the introduction to your team's member and their role. It looks something like this. You can have, for example, a slide that introduces the team. You have a second that has a picture of the team, individual um, people and their responsibility. Here's another example of another one. For example, let's go here. This is, they call themselves the Dream Team 2. They have their name. They get the picture, and then they go on and they list the responsibility. The team captain, the coder. You also have the builder and the documenter. It all depends on how you want to set it up, and either way, it's acceptable. That's going to be the first slideshow that you're going to present to introduce your team. Now, the other slideshow you're going to have to do is a pre-mission to document the pre-mission from pre-mission 1 to pre-mission 6. And that one would look something like this. For example, the first slide would show pre-mission 1, writes down what is the objective of that pre-mission, a screenshot of the code that was used, and a video that shows how this mission is accomplished. Okay, and then you would go on to the next mission, pre-mission 2, and it follows the same pattern. For this slide to demonstrate the pre-mission 1 to 12, all of the slide will be in one slideshow. The last thing you're going to have to do is under missions, you would do one slideshow per mission. And that is after when you finish all of the pre-missions. Now let's go ahead, let's take a look at the documentation folder. In this documentation folder, I have a video of the pre-mission 1, and I also have the screenshot of the code. How do I start my Google slide? First of all, you would log into your Google. And actually, the better way to do this is to go into that folder, the documentation folder. And the reason why you want to go into the documentation folder is because you have already set up all of the permission inside this folder. And anything that you place inside will inherit the permission from the outside folder, which is a documentation folder. So I'm going to go into my documentation folder. I'm going to go click on New, and I'm going to create a Google slide. Of course, you always want to give your slide a title. In this case, this is a pre-mission. I would title this pre-mission 1 through 10. Pre-mission 1 through 10. Okay, because you can have pre-mission 1 through all the way to mission 10. Now, what I'm going to do here is I am on the first one, I'll give it my title. I'll call this one pre-mission 1. And I might write down the objective of pre-mission 1. And I already have it open here. Pre-mission 1 is right here. It says play a sound, get your robot. I'll just copy and paste this. I'll highlight this, Control C copies, go over to the Google slide, and I'll paste it there. It's a little bit bigger. Where's the size of this thing? Where am I? Let me go inside, double click on it. There it is. I'll increase the size here. 34 or something like that. There it is. And then I'll add another slide by clicking this plus here. On the next slide, what I might want to do is, let me see if I change the layout. What kind of layout do I want? Maybe a 2 title, 2 column. That's fine. And I'll call this one, I'll continue to call this pre-mission 1. Pre-mission 1. And in this one, I'll insert a picture, and this one I'll insert the video. Okay, and to insert a image on here, you remember that I already uploaded the two already here, right? This one's the video and this one's a picture. You have to do this beforehand. And to do this, you can either screenshot the code, or you can take a picture with your phone and upload it to your Google Drive. I'm gonna go into here and I'm gonna go to insert. And when I go to insert image, it gives me several options here. One of the option is to upload it from my computer. I can try to take a screenshot. Hey, that's a great way to do it. I can go, if I have it in Google Drive, this is what I would do. I might want to try this snapshot the next time, but I'm gonna go to Google Drive because I already have it in my Google Drive. It's inside documentation, and there's the permission one. If I click select, the picture shows up here. Okay. There it is. I'll drag it over and just snap it in there. Over here, I'll go ahead and insert the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna insert video. On the insert video, again, it gives me several options, including Google Drive. I'm gonna click on Google Drive. You can either put the video up in YouTube and then link to it. You can do that too, but I think Google Drive will be the easiest. Click on Google Drive, and I am going to, there it is, Hello World, copy of Hello World. That's the one I have. Select. There's an error. Okay, that's fine. Let me try that one more time. And click on that. There was a problem inserting a thumbnail image for the video. There was a problem retrieving the specific image. Now, if that doesn't work, another way you could do it is if you can download. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take this video. I'm gonna download it to my desktop. And once when it downloads to my desktop, I'm actually gonna send it up. Insert video. I'm gonna say, I'm gonna go back and by URL. I don't know, how can I send it up? Let me try it one more time. Here, it doesn't allow me to send it up. Oh, here it is. It's coming. There it is. It came up. It probably takes a little while. Probably the other video was not working either. So here it is. And that's it. This is pre-mission 1. And then that's the picture, and this is the video of it. You can also add more slides and continue to finish this until you get all the way to pre-mission 10. When you're ready to turn it in, what you would do is you click on share. Since you already have this already, since you already given me permission to your documentation folder, the only thing you need to do is get the share link, and that's a share link. Copy this over to Schoology, click on create, paste the link, and submit it, and that's it.